Well, I was going to say Saturday, but I almost said Sunday.
No, August Saturday. This August Saturday. August 31st of 2024 Saturday.
Good afternoon. It is Saturday, August the 31st. I got tongue-tied and Elaine sat there and made fun of me. I have a really bad migraine, so I don't feel good. And I got discombobulated with my words. And Elaine made fun of me. Oi.
What is it? You got hiccups? Oh, okay.
So, I said good afternoon because it's 12:30. Me and Elaine got to talking on the way to Walmart, on the way to town, and I kind of didn't record. So, we've done all of our grocery shopping. Now we're going home.
Yeah.
And I'm tired. This one, I just don't even know. It has been quite a peel. Not exactly really sure why. Like me just sitting here talking, he's sitting here making grunty, spitting noises at me. Like, he's mad at me for some strange reason, but whatever. Stop! You stop! That was this one. He's egging it on. And he wants to know, and he gets mad when I get mad.
She wants her hot dog.
Hold that thought. Elena wants her hot dog.
Hot dog, please.
Hot dog, please.
Hot dog, please.
That's what she said.
Not you, me.
Oh, okay. You.
Not you. You don't say it. Only she says it.
Apparently. Nathan's famous hot dogs. You gonna sniff it?
It smells good. Do you want to sniff?
No, I just ate one, remember?
I didn't smell either. I didn't smell fine.
Yeah, so y'all know how Caleb and Elena always have to have their hot dogs and corn dogs from Walmart. Yeah.
Mommy, can we clean my hands?
Well, you'll have to wait, Bubba. I don't have anything to give you.
There's no wipes here?
I can't reach them because they're on the floor over there from when I cleaned up my mess.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyhow, Caleb ate his corn dog.
What's on the floor? Like the bag?
Yeah, his backpack.
Dude, where are they?
Is it over there?
That don't tell me.
Over there on the floor. Where I left it.
In my backpack.
It's not in the backpack.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Caleb, grab it.
I got it.
Get it.
He's got to
I couldn't squeeze it in through.
get one. Don't hold it. Just pull it out. Pull it out.
Give me
I got
get
it.
from him.
Okay, there you go. Good job. So Caleb ate his corn dog. Asked for his hot dog. He took the hot dog out of the bun and ate half of the hot dog. Said he was done. He was full. Gave me the hot dog, but kept the bun and ate the bun. So Elaine ate the rest of his hot dog.
It was yummy. And weird. Had no bun.
Thank you, bud. Now it's time to drink his cup. I am tired. What, baby?
Those taste like apple juice.
Yes, they got their special little drinks.
Cups. They call it cups. Special cups.
Yeah, got the little character on top. So as you can tell, Caleb got tails, and Elena got the
A watermelon.
yeah, it's the watermelon with the ladybug on it. It's from the Cocomelon show, like the little Cocomelon logo watermelon thing. That's what's on top of hers. But she wanted it because it was a watermelon, and it has a ladybug on it, so that's why she wanted it. Okay, chill. So, I am tired. I do not particularly feel very good. Elaine does not feel very good. We both just took some medicine. Cause I have a headache, and it's like right over like my eyebrow on this side, and it's like ugh. So, and what's wrong with you?
I don't know. Got a headache.
And yet you wanted Tylenol instead of Excedrin.
It's not a full-blown headache, so I know Tylenol will work. Excedrin will probably put me sleepy a little bit. I didn't want to take it.
Yeah, we did not particularly get a lot of sleep.
But no, I woke up at 4 o'clock and then I've been here for something. That will happen.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so Thursday night, stayed up a little bit, and I recorded a little bit.
Why did you say I blinked Thursday night?
No, I said you stayed up a little bit later than what you normally do, because you recorded a little bit.
Yeah, it would have been a good time.
And then, of course, he stayed up a little bit later last night because, again, he was recording. And, I mean, got into bed at a somewhat decent hour. I think we actually went to bed probably around, what, 11:30?
I think so. I don't know.
Something like that. I mean, that's a lot later than what we normally do, but it's better than what it has been. There have been times he has stayed up till like 2 o'clock in the morning playing and recording, so yeah. But anyhow, we got in the bed, went to sleep. I ended up having a really bad nightmare, and I had to wake myself up, and I couldn't go back to sleep afterwards. And then dude over here woke up at 4 o'clock this morning because he remembered he left a battery plugged in at work.
Battery charger plugged in.
Oh, okay, battery charger. So he had to get up and drive all the way to work to
At 4
turn
o'clock in the morning.
at 4 o'clock in the morning to turn it off.
Yeah, that battery charger does not stop.
No, it's one of those.
That battery could be melting. It'll still keep on going.
Yeah, it's not like the ones that have like a auto shut off. Like, it just continues to run. So you have to actually physically turn it off.
Give it those amps. That's what it was doing.
So yeah. So, and of course, by the time he got back home, Caleb was awake. Caleb woke up 5:30-ish, which wasn't all that bad, but you know, wish he would have slept a little bit longer. But
Yeah.
at least he didn't wake up, because the other night they both woke up at like midnight, and Elena stayed up all night. Caleb kind of dozed off and on, but she ended up laying in her bed all night long until probably about 4 o'clock, and then she actually finally fell back asleep. And so, yeah, that was not fun. Which I can't get mad. That was Tuesday night. That was Tuesday night that happened, because Caleb ended up getting sick Tuesday. He ate something that apparently didn't agree with him.
Yeah.
So her cup is empty. It is beyond empty.
Give me cup. Give me.
Give it to
Oh
Daddy.
my gosh, this girl. Maybe give me a reach.
So yeah, that's Elena's. Oh, sorry, ladybug's on that side. So, ew, it's all bad. So yeah, so we have not got the best sleep this week. We have to do a little bit of editing today and upload some videos that way we'll have them for the week. And then little boy over here has a birthday coming up.
You're gonna have
So his birthday's on the 5th, so next weekend we'll be having a little party at the house for him. So yeah, we have to find him because that's what he's into now. He's obsessed with him, and now we gotta find him one. He's also been watching a lot of.
We gonna get me back there?
So they've been watching those shows a lot. So I asked him what he wanted for his birthday, and he said he wanted a.
Back there.
Well, I guess I'll go ahead and say it then, since he said it.
Can I tell them?
So we have
He
to.
wants to tell them.
Okay, hold on. So we have to, when I'm by myself, I have to actually go and see if I can find one. It's gonna be fun. Not really. If y'all ain't figured it out, that was very sarcastic. So, Caleb wants to tell you that he wants a Batman for his birthday.
Hey, you guys.
Hold on.
You guys, it's Donald's birthday. I'm gonna get Batman. Cause Batman is a bad like a bat. And he is a superhero. Cause he stopped films. So, one question. This is a bad funny. His name is The Joke. Cause he's a bad. Cause you put he is cause Batman is trying to stop the Joker. Cause Joker and Batman is a meet about aha ducks. Say I'll do show you something. This here Spider-Man here is he's a superhero. Well he is it's ready that back. He's a spider with a web. You see that web? Well, he don't blast webs from his hands. Well, he do. Yes. Because he's gonna stop Green Goblin. Mommy, what's Green Goblin wearing a mask? What's he wearing a mask? I don't know it. I don't understand it. That's just I'm hate with all of these. I'm hate with all these Green Goblins. Well, I'm gonna turn it to Spider-Man, but I don't have a spot. I can't turn it to Spider-Man. I'm just a kid. I never turn it to Spider-Man again. Cause I'm just a kid. I didn't know to turn myself into Iron Man. I didn't know to turn myself into Spider-Man. I didn't know to turn myself into Iron Man, Spider-Man.
Okay, now, Sissy's turn. There you go. So yeah, he's been watching a lot of Sonic. Been watching a lot of Batman. Not really like Batman's. It's the Batman Lego movie.
He wants me to vlog.
I've asked him if he wanted to watch like actual Batman, like a Batman cartoon, or even the live action. And he says no. So whatever floats his boat, I guess. So we are almost home. So we are gonna get off of here, and of course we're gonna set it up so they can do their little thing while we get the groceries and everything out of the truck. So with that being said, we are off, and we will talk to you guys next time.
It's empty.